L Bay, just talk with the watermelon man, brung the consort, the young king, and the young lioness. So just want y'all to know this is yellow watermelon. And oh my gosh, this brother here in Sacramento, the watermelon man, oh my goodness. You see that they got dark seeds in it. So, right, and here goes the other side of it too. So, man, it is so good. But I'm going to show you here, dealing with same watermelon from the same brother. Again, like I was saying, you have all these stripes and everything dealing with the water base of the watermelon. So, plus the little scrapes and all this stuff up in here, how yellow this is, that shows you how sweet it is. So, the bigger this is, the sweeter it is too. So, this is what I'm learning from him. All right. So, but anyway, if you were to get some of this watermelon here, and if you're in Sacramento, I could feel the sugar sticky, the sugar coming out of it, the sugar right up in here. So let's see if I can see the sugar coming out of it. That's the sugar coming out off this watermelon. So, oh my goodness, man, this stuff is so sweet and so good. So, if you're in Sacramento, uh, come down here and look, ask for the watermelon man out here in Oak Park. This brother got some good watermelons. So I just want to put his business out there. I appreciate this brother. He's been doing this stuff over for 40 years, doing this. And excellent job. So, again, yellow watermelon. Oh, so good. 13 Love.